Faith journey in Buddhism. Welcome. What if I told you there's a path, one that offers inner peace amidst the chaos of life? A path not rooted in blind faith, but one you can experience firsthand. Buddhism is a faith, a philosophy, and a practical guide to life. Today we'll explore its unique faith journey, a path that could change how you see life, death, and everything in between. The faith journey in Buddhism. The beginning. The search for meaning. Have you ever found yourself questioning, what is the meaning of life? Why is there so much pain, confusion, and loss? These are universal questions, questions humanity has grappled with for centuries. They arise in moments when the superficial comforts of modern life feel empty, leaving us searching for deeper meaning. Buddhism begins with a profound realization. Suffering, or dukkha, is an inseparable part of life. This isn't a pessimistic view, it's a truth that connects us all. Whether you live in bustling cities or tranquil villages, everyone experiences pain, physical, emotional, or existential. We suffer from loss, fear, and an unrelenting desire for more. Buddhism doesn't ask you to escape this suffering, but invites you to confront it, acknowledge it, understand it. The journey begins when we accept the reality of suffering, not as something to fear, but as a catalyst for growth. The first noble truth, the truth of suffering. The middle, the path to freedom. Recognizing suffering is only the beginning. The next step is finding a way to navigate through it. Buddhism doesn't leave you in despair. It offers a path, a practical roadmap called the Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path isn't a set of rigid rules. It's a way of living that transforms your thoughts, actions, and habits. From right understanding to right speech, from right effort to right mindfulness, each step encourages you to let go of harmful attachments and develop clarity. Imagine making choices not from fear or anger, but from a place of wisdom and peace. This path doesn't promise instant results. It's a journey of progress, not perfection. Each step you take deepens your connection to yourself and the world around you. Through practice, you discover a sense of freedom, a release from the cycles of craving and dissatisfaction. The Eightfold Path, a guide to living right. The conflict, facing doubts and internal struggles. But no journey is without challenges. Doubts creep in. The path feels overwhelming. You might question, am I capable of this? Is this worth it? These struggles are natural. Even the Buddha himself faced doubts during his quest for enlightenment. The Buddha's journey was not smooth. He abandoned a life of luxury, choosing instead to explore the depths of human suffering. He tried extreme asceticism, nearly starving himself, before realizing that neither indulgence nor deprivation led to freedom. His doubts were the stepping stones to his eventual awakening. Doubt isn't a sign of failure. It's a necessary part of the process. Questioning your beliefs, wrestling with uncertainty, these challenges refine your understanding. Every setback becomes an opportunity for growth, a chance to strengthen your resolve. Doubt and struggle, part of the journey. And then, there are moments of awakening, glimpses of enlightenment. The Buddha described this state as nirvana, a profound peace free from suffering and craving. But nirvana isn't a far-off destination. It's found in the here and now, in moments of deep mindfulness and compassion. Buddhism teaches us that enlightenment is not about escaping life. It's about living fully, with awareness and gratitude. When you see the impermanence of life, you begin to appreciate its beauty. When you understand suffering, you cultivate compassion, for yourself and for others. Enlightenment isn't just a personal achievement, it's a shared experience. As you grow in wisdom and peace, you inspire others to begin their own journeys. The faith journey in Buddhism is not just about finding your own peace, it's about contributing to a more compassionate world. Nirvana, the path to enlightenment. But here's the ultimate truth. The journey never ends. Enlightenment isn't a finish line, it's an ongoing process. Even the Buddha, after reaching nirvana, continued to teach and guide others. The faith journey in Buddhism is cyclical. Each step deepens your understanding and opens new possibilities. What will you choose for your next step? So, are you ready to take that first step? The path is open to everyone. regardless of where you come from or what you've experienced. It begins with a single question. Are you willing to walk it? Your journey starts now. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Buddhism. If you're curious to explore more, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on notifications. Share this with someone who might need a little more peace in their life, because in the end, peace begins with you.